Alright, so after a lot of yes and no visits to the service center, making a vlog about it, not exactly fighting with Xiaomi, they did cooperate, the Rockstar is back in the studio. And yes, we are talking about the Poco X3 Pro. Now there is a special reason why I like this device so much. I will tell you that in the entire video. I will also let you know what exactly happened, how I got 1 year of more warranty and things like those. So stay tuned till the end of the video. But before we get into the details, things get more interesting from today. So please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel with all your friends and family. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, now this is my receipt. This is the paper which does have 1 year warranty written over it. Now let's first unbox this baby because after almost more than a year actually, we have a brand new Poco X3 Pro in the house. It will take around 7 days for me to unlock the bootloader. This time it is a different color. So to me, the user experience has been much better than I expected it to. Before I open the box, I do find it a little unfortunate for a lot of Poco X3 Pro users who have been forced to settle for the Redmi Note 10 Pro, for the Poco X4 Pro, because those devices in terms of performance are inferior. And if it can be done for me, why cannot it be done for others? Now, the reason I waited so long to post a video is now I highly request and recommend you guys to take this video on your phone, go to your Xiaomi service center and tell them that if you did it for a YouTuber, you should do it for me as well, because it is your right. You purchased a Poco X3 Pro, it died because the units were inferior in terms of build quality, and you should not settle for anything except a Snapdragon 860, which gives you amazing gaming experience, right? So first, let's go ahead and unbox this. This, of course, is this old box over here. They've not given me a new box. I will tell you what all have I got. So let's quickly open it up. Okay, now this phone alone, this is how I received it. I inspected it and I sealed it again. Okay, and let's quickly open it. This color to me looks very interesting because initially when this phone was launched, I bought the black color thinking this would look very weird. So this color to me looks very beautiful compared to the black color. People are calling it silver. This is not silver. This is golden bronze. I have inspected the device from all the sides and angles, and in all probability to me it looks like a brand new device. In case this is a refurbished phone, well, trust me, the engineers at the workshop have done a brilliant job. I have gone ahead and inserted my SIM card in there. I have inserted my MI account and I will be trying to unlock after shooting this video. So yes, the device is absolutely fine. Now, will it die or not in the next 1 year? That remains to be seen, because we're going to continue making videos on this wonderful boy. Now, apart from this, as I said, I did not get the box. I did get a new transparent case, okay, with the phone, which is there in here, and they took my old charger and they gave me a new charger and a new USB cable. Now, along with this receipt, of course, will have some parts blurred. This has the old IMEI, new IMEI, and over here it says 1 year warranty. So from the date I purchased it till the day 1 year is completed, I will be getting extended warranty. That is brand new warranty from today. So yes, it is possible. I know for me it is an exception, but I would recommend you guys to go ahead and fight for it, because now you have proof. Okay, you have proof on a substantial channel which has more than 200 videos on this Poco X3 Pro, and I'm doing this for you guys. Understand, for me the personal device is the iQOO Neo 6, but this here has a special place because in terms of price to performance in 20,000, even today, I don't see any phone which you can give this level of performance. The camera and the display are not the best, but if you are a gamer who just cares about FPS, trust me, for the money, this is a very wonderful phone. So yes, to quickly answer your questions, what exactly happened? In part 1, you saw that my device died because of the PMIC bug. I took it to the service center. They offered me a Poco X4 Pro. I countered them by telling them that I don't need a Poco X4 Pro, but I do need a Poco F4 or my money back. That's when they called me and told me that we can give you another Poco X3 Pro with 1-year warranty, and that will be a different color, and that is what I have settled for. So if you have any questions related to this, please park them in the comment section. I will try my best to answer those questions. You can also join PhoneOps Army on Telegram, and I will try to answer your questions there as well. But to all the Poco X3 Pro users, if your devices are dying, I'm not challenging Xiaomi or Poco here, but what I think is a fair deal, if you bought a Snapdragon 860 powered device, you should continue using that or get your money back. Because I've used the Note 10 Pro, I still have that phone with me. This is going to be a phone on the channel for a long time. I've used the Poco X4 Pro, I've unboxed it, made a video about it, did a live stream. These two devices definitely don't cut it as far as the Poco X3 Pro is concerned. So wait for a week and amazing new custom ROM videos will follow. We will continue making videos on the iQOO Neo 6, the Mi 11X and the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Let me know in the comment section how useful this video is, and please don't forget to make this viral because this is going to help thousands and thousands of Poco users in India. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.